Happy day students. Welcome to San Academy Pallikarnai. Class 6 Value Education. Topic is Importance of Physical Exercise and Healthy Living, and the subtopic is Quality of Life. In this session, we are going to learn how important to have physical exercise and healthy living to lead a quality life. First, let us see what is physical activity. Any kind of sustained movement that increases our heart rate and causes our body to use energy. Now let us see the benefits of physical activity. Here we have physical benefits, mental benefits, and social benefits. So what are the physical benefits? It helps to strengthen and tone muscle. It helps to maintain a healthy weight, and it helps to strengthen heart and lungs, and it builds strong bones. Mental benefits are we can get better sleep, get along better with others, and we can have more concentration. We will have more confidence and higher self-esteem, and we can deal with stress more easily. Social benefits are we will have a great way to make friends. We can learn diversity and tolerance, and it helps to build character. And the physical activity reduces body fat percentage, blood pressure in some adolescents with hypertension, feelings of anxiety, feelings of depression, and moodiness. Now let us see what is meant by healthy living. Introduction of healthy living is healthy living is about making healthy choices every day. Healthy choices that keeps us fit physically, mentally, and spiritually. Eating well, being physically active, and not smoking are three of the best things we can do to stay healthy. By staying healthy, we can help prevent chronic diseases and reduces our risk to become ill or seriously injured. Living healthier is a personal choice, but everyone has a role to play. Individuals, families, communities, governments, and other organizations can work together to create environment and conditions that support healthy living. Some examples are making nutritious food easily accessible, or developing communities and buildings that promote physical activity. Healthy living means we should have positive thinking, feel good, regular exercise, and eat better. What are the benefits we will get if we take regular exercise? We will always feel healthier, our heart will be stronger, our lungs will be more efficient as they will expand more when taking in air. It will improve illnesses like asthma. Our immune system will be stronger, therefore less illness. We will maintain a desired weight always. We will be more alert and ready to work. Our muscles will be stronger. So always eat better, feel better. Now let us see some popular sayings. A man too busy to take care of his health is like a mechanic too busy to take care of his tools. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. It is better to be poor and healthy than rich and sick. A healthy body is a guest chamber for the soul. A sick body is a prison. So, to lead a quality life, a healthy diet must be followed. It needs a balanced diet, exercise, and enough sleep. It's important to eat a varied and balanced diet to stay healthy. You need to drink plenty of water and eat at least 5 portions of fruits and vegetables every day. You also need to make sure you exercise regularly to keep your heart, lungs, and muscles strong and healthy. It is also important to get plenty of sleep to make sure your body has time to recover and recharge. So quality of life is in general well-being of individuals and societies and outlining negative and positive features of life. So now let us see a story about health is wealth.
Health is wealth. Once there lived a king. The king was a very kind-hearted and a cordial person. The king would not do anything other than just eating and sleeping. The king relied on his attendants to serve him every moment. All the time, he used to lie down on his bed, which showed that the king was very lazy. A time came when he really became inactive and he could not even move from his place. eating good food and sleeping made him fat. Days passed by and the king became sick. He called for his doctors to treat him. Unfortunately, the doctors could not help him to regain his health and fitness. The doctors told him that nothing could help him to become fit and fine. One fine morning, a minister of the king's kingdom was passing by on the outskirts of the city. A holy man from the king's region visited the minister. While the minister was conversing with the sadhu about the king, the sadhu came to know that the king was unwell. Sadhu told the minister that he could cure the king. Hearing this, the minister was very happy. Immediately, he arranged a meeting with king. Sadhu noticed that the king was very upset about his health. Sadhu assured the king that he would be all right and nothing serious had happened to the king. Sadhu informed the king that he would start his treatment from the next day, but instructed the king to walk to his hut for the treatment. Next day, after years, the king came out to walk on the road. Finally, he reaches the sadhu's hut. The king kept on coming to Sadhu's hut for a year on regular basis. Now the king had lost his weight. He was active and feeling much better now. Sadhu told the king that we need to work to keep us fit. Moral: health is.
I hope you all understood the importance of physical activity and healthy living to lead a quality life. Thank you, students.